Type Search Console in search box and click on Search Console Tools. Now click on Start Now. Now select your email ID to create the account. Enter your password. Now you enter your website URL in URL prefix section. And click on Continue. Now click on HTML tag section and copy the code. Go to your website. Add new plugin, used SEO. Click on install, and once installation is done, click on activate. Now go to extreme left section in the menu bar and click on SEO and then general settings. Now click on Webmaster Tools and paste the code in the third section of Google verification code.
And remove the other section above the code and then click on Save Changes. Now go back to your search console and verify. Go to Property. Now your Google Search Console account is linked with your website.